Exercise 1.5. We need to create another sheet the same way as before. New sheet, here we go, and we rename it to 1.5 date. On syllabus it only shows date, but for the sake of consistency we add 1.5 to it. Let's enlarge it. Find A1, okay. And as instructed, we select A1 to A9 and change the format to date. Here we have two different dates options, probably because we have a more advanced version of Excel. Let's go ahead and choose long date. Okay, and then we type in the input as instructed. 15 Feb 01 A1. Look, it automatically converts itself to the right version, to the right format. So let's try another way. 15 Feb 2001. Same thing. Yeah, my apologies for the Dutch language this Excel is using, because my operating system is Dutch, so please bear with me. And here, let's try again another one. So the idea is no matter which format you type your date in, it always changes to the default format the system recognizes. Yes. And because we don't want to see the annoying long date, we want to change the format. So how do we do that? We go to the date part again, and this time we choose more number formats, and here you can choose a different type of date. For example, let's ask it to show as this. It will show a different format. So comparing to what we need to achieve, there's a screenshot on your syllabus. We need to find the exact match. So this one looks like the exact match to the screenshot we see on the syllabus. So let's go ahead and choose that. Yes, perfect. And to be able to copy this format to the other parts, we can use this one called Format Painter. You can of course also choose the whole range and set the format that way, but because just now we only used A1, let's paint that format to all the other cells. And double click in between the column to let it fit the column. Here we go, we finished exercise 1.5, and I will see you in the next video.